Mother, your female parent who gave birth to you or adopted you. Father, your male parent who is your biological or adoptive dad. Parent, your mother or father general term. Son, a male child in relation to his parents. Daughter, a female child in relation to her parents. Child, the son or daughter general term. Brother, a male who shares the same parents as you. Sister, a female who shares the same parents as you. Sibling, your brother or sister general term. Twin, a brother or sister born at the same time as you. Grandmother, your mother's or father's mother. Grandparent, your grandmother or grandfather general term. Great-grandmother, your grandparent's mother. Great-grandfather, your grandparent's father. Great-grandparent, your great-grandmother or great-grandfather. Aunt, your parent's sister or your uncle's wife. Uncle, your parent's brother or your aunt's husband. Great-aunt, your grandparent's sister. Great-uncle, your grandparent's brother. Cousin, the child of your aunt or uncle. First cousin, your aunt's or uncle's child. Second cousin, your parent's cousin's child. Third cousin, your grandparent's cousin's grandchild. Cousin once removed, your cousin's child or your parent's cousin. Cousin twice removed, your cousin's grandchild or your grandparent's cousin. Nephew, your brother's or sister's son. Niece, your brother's or sister's daughter. Grandnephew, your nephew's or niece's son. Grandniece, your nephew's or niece's daughter. Spouse, your husband or wife.